I'm News 6's Mark Lehman. For the first time, we're hearing from the former Brevard County school teacher who was at the center of a statewide debate over parental rights. That debate was sparked after Melissa Calhoun violated state law by using a student's preferred name without parental permission. A ruling came down just last week that allows her to keep her teaching certificate, but Brevard's superintendent says her return to the classroom won't be in Brevard County, at least not this year.
I unfortunately didn't, review that policy.
Former Satellite High School teacher Melissa Calhoun is sharing her side of the story days after reaching a settlement with the Florida Department of Education, the state allowing her to return to teaching on a one-year probation after she was ousted for using a student's chosen name without parental permission.
That student actually requested to go by a particular name, and so like most teachers, when there's a request, I simply complied.
Calhoun says she had known the student for years and her actions weren't political, her dismissal sparking protests outside the Brevard County School Board earlier this year.
There wasn't any intention to subvert this parent's wishes. This happened out of habit and frankly was an unfortunate oversight on my part.
Brevard superintendent, however, says it was not a case of confusion, and at this point the district will not rehire her. In a statement, Dr. Mark Rendell said in part, while the state has chosen to allow this individual to retain their certification under probation, I believe it is appropriate that the full term of that probation be completed before any consideration of employment. Calhoun says it was disheartening to hear those words from the superintendent, but she's focused on teaching elsewhere. On top of the one-year probation, Calhoun's settlement includes a letter of reprimand, a $750 fee, and she must also take a college-level ethics course. Mark Lehman, News 6.